Welcome along, guys. Good to see you again. Thanks for coming back. Appreciate it. So if you're new to the channel, please like, comment and subscribe. It means a lot to me. It'd be really cool if you could, and then you get to keep up with all the action and how this thing's going. So we're getting there quickly, and it's really cool. So it's been a big week. We've got a lot done. So the next video is the video I mentioned in the last episode, along the lines of a more in-depth rebuild of the hydraulic release bearing. So that's gonna just be a quick short video for you guys to see a bit more detail around the build. If that's what you want to see, chuck a comment in. I'm happy to put more details in of bits and pieces, ask some questions about what's in the car, what's involved in the build so far, and all that sort of thing. Please feel free to ask questions or chuck some feedback up. That'd be really appreciated. Cheers, enjoy, and we'll see you on the next one. Bearing seal kit has turned up. Unfortunately, the courier, because it was in such a small bag, misplaced it for a week, which is a bit of a shame, but never mind. It's here now, and we can chuck this release bearing together. So, pretty straightforward. 2 seals: scraper seal or wiper seal, and the hydraulic seal. So hydraulic seal goes in the bottom, flat piece facing up, and then the scraper seal or wiper seal then goes in top. Oop, like that. So basically, lots of rubber grease. When I say lots, a fair and reasonable amount. You don't want to have too much, but it's not going to hurt it if it's too much. So flat side up, that's the ridge side. So flat side up, and just work it in nice and evenly, hopefully. Just a little flathead screwdriver that is blunt, not sharp at all, just to try and help the edges of the seal in. There is apparently an install tool for these, for those that are doing it lots. It's not me, hopefully once. Then piston. We're going to struggle to see in there. But just making sure it's all flat and square. Just running the blade of the screwdriver really lightly around the back of the seal to make sure it feels flat, which it does. So that's all good. This is probably rubber seal, is it? Rubber grease. It is. Can't imagine it's going to hurt putting a little bit on here too. Could have a bit of lube here and there, eh? Now this is a little bit from memory, which was a very long time ago, but it's nice, sweet. Right. Walk in the park, make sure your piston's nice and clean. Now from memory, these release bearings are like just the bearing itself, because this is a bearing on a sleeve, right? From memory, it's an old Datsun, might be 1200, 1600, something like that, 120Y. I remember it being really expensive from Tilton, and we just happened to find a matching replacement, and it was the exact same bearing, and it was like 12 bucks. I can't remember which model it was off, so chuck it in the comments if you guys have tracked that down, because to be really honest, I would love to put another one in here because it's a little bit notchy. But being that quite possibly I'm going to be doing 1 or 2 meetings, and then it's going to be sitting for a while anyway, I'm not too concerned. There is a little bit of a nick in here from getting it out because it had been sitting for so long, so I'll just tidy that up quickly, just for fun. Put a little wee bit of rubber grease on here, just to help the initial done. Rightio, all ready to go back in. Nice and tight, everything's clean and tidy, nice, slides nice and easily. The extra rubber grease off just to tidy it up a little bit. Another box ticked. Right, belly housing. Cheers guys, hope you enjoyed the video. So just like that, the release bearing's all done, all refreshed, tidied up and ready to go in. So bell housing's back on the box as you would have seen, so that's pretty cool. Next step, gearbox in the car. So getting there quickly as mentioned before, and so that's going to be the next video, is seeing the gearbox and driveline go back in the car, and we can go from there. Cheers guys.